Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. As you may have heard, teachers here in the state sector in the UK are involved in a long-running industrial dispute with the government about pay and about terms and conditions. As a result, even though the academic year is only just starting this coming week, teachers at my daughter's school have already announced a day of action coming up. My daughter, who knows I used to be a trade union member and quite active in the union movement, has basically told me that when there's a strike day, she won't be doing any of the homework that the school sets to compensate for the missed day online. Usually when there's a strike, most teachers won't go into work and the students don't go in, but the school sets stuff for students to do that it expects them to do at home. And my daughter told me basically that out of solidarity with the striking teachers, she won't be doing any official schoolwork that day. Now, whilst I'm secretly quite proud of this decision and quite glad, I also want to make sure that she understands that this is technically breaking school rules. So I said to her, okay, that's fine. I'm going to have to respect your decision on that, but on your own head be it. If you say on your own head be it, you basically mean you have to take full responsibility for what you've decided to do, for what you're planning to do. And it's often something that parents might say to children, particularly teenage children, or to close friends. So you might say something like, listen, I've told you what I think, okay? Personally, I think it's a stupid idea, but you've clearly decided that you're going to ignore my advice. So, on your own head be it. If anything bad happens, it's on you, it's not on me. This is one of those strange fixed expressions that's actually semi-fixed because you can tweak it slightly. So if you're talking directly to someone, it's usually on your own head be it, but you can also vary the pronoun. So you might say, hey, listen, my son, he's 21, he's decided he wants to drop out of university, he's decided that academic life isn't for him and that instead he wants to go and work in a kitchen as a chef. Personally, I think it's a daft idea. I've told him what I think, but that's what he's decided. So, hey, on his own head be it. Yeah, so you can vary the pronoun like that. On her own head be it, on your own head be it, on his own head be it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see some examples of when you might use on your own head be it.